So hello everybody, and I am Sesha back here on my channel, and today I'm going to tell you that how can you install Python on your PC and how can you run it as well. So first simply go to Chrome and type Python, Chrome or any other browser which you want, and in Python go to downloads. Here you will see the latest version. Just check your operating system, that which system are you using, and then click Python. Like just click on this button, download Python. The latest version is 3.10.2. So here it has been installed. Then you can click on open, and then this pop-up will appear. So you have to click on install now and click on yes. Then it will take some time for the setup process to go on, so you can wait till then. My PC is of 64-bit, and if you want to check that which one is yours, you can go to your settings and check from there, and then accordingly you can download it from here. And if you want a later version like 3.9 or something, you can download it from here. So it's almost done. And meanwhile, please don't forget to like and subscribe the video for latest updates and videos like this. So here it says that your setup is successful and Python is successfully installed on your PC. Let's just check it in the CMD. What you can do is you can just type py, and so here you can see that it is installed, as here it is showing my latest version on Windows. And so yeah, it is installed. Now let's see how can we run it. So what you need to do is type Python. Here it is, and then simply what you need to do is you can run it. You can type a bit of code. We'll write hello world, which most of the people write when they write their first program in any language. You can click enter, and that's how you can run Python on your PC, and Python is installed. I think the ideal would also be installed. Yeah, it is here. Sorry. Hmm. So here it is. From here also you can run your code. So yes, that's all for today, and thanks for watching the video.